Jai Hind, class 9 sample paper. We are solving this unsolved sample paper. First question. First question is, if square root 2 equal to 1.4142, then find square root 2 minus 1 upon square root 2 plus 1. So let us see the solution. There is square root inside square root. So numerator denominator is there. So numerator denominator is there. So this is the rational problem. So denominator is square root 2 plus 1. So opposite sign square root 2 minus 1. We multiply both numerator and denominator. Now numerator become whole square, a minus b into a minus b, it become a minus b whole square. So it comes outside the square root sign. So it becomes square root 2 minus 1. Denominator become a plus b into a minus b. Its identity is a square minus b square. So square root 2 square is 2 and minus 1 square is 1. And numerator we write as it is square root 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the answer. So square root 2 minus 1 is the answer. Square root 2 value is 1.4142 minus 1. We get 0.4142. So which option is correct? It is given C option. So C option is correct. Next, question number 2. A soap manufacturer makes fragrant and non-fragrant liquid soaps. The liquid soaps are filled in the plastic bottles and packed in a equal size carton for transportation. Each carton contains 50 bottles. A carton is checked randomly. Which of the following cannot be number of fragrant and non-fragrant liquid bottles in the carton? So there is given 50 bottles. So 50 bottles, first has 5, 45, 50, 15, 35, 40, 20, 30, 50, 30, 40 is not 50. So D option is correct. Next, third question. A number y is greater than number x and another number z is lesser than 0. So z is negative because lesser than 0 is negative, and number y is greater than x, it means y is larger than x. So we see the option C. If we transfer this z to other side and y to left side, so what we see, x minus y become negative because x is smaller and y is greater. So smaller minus greater, we get negative value, and z is already negative. So this is correct answer. Next, fourth question. Question is saying the figure below shows the side of the shopping trolley. This is the shopping trolley, and this shopping trolley, the metal plate is fixed at the side of the storekeeper for advertisement. So this is the advertisement metal plate. Now question is saying on the next page, question is asking what is the shape of the metal plate? Answer is rhombus. Rhombus is the metal plate here. Answer. Next, fifth question. The phase of information collected with a definite purpose is called. The facts or information collected with a definite purpose is called data. Answer is data. Next question is sixth. 5 friends Anchal, Amisha, Mahi, Vishu and Seher are living in a hostel. So at the end of every month, they calculate the expenses on food and shopping. The table given below shows their monthly expense for month of November. So these are the expenses of these 5 people. Which graphical representation method would you best represent the data given? So they are different persons. So we use here bar graph. So B option is correct. Next, seventh question. The edges of a triangular board are 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. So 3 sides of triangle are given. The cost of painting it at the rate of 9 paise per centimeter square is, we have to find first area, then we find the cost by multiplying the area. So let us see the area. So in this question, 3 sides are given. First we find the S. S is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means sum of all the 3 sides, 6 plus 8 plus 10 upon 2. So it gives us 24 upon 2, 12. And now area formula is square root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we plug in the value. Now S is here 12, 12 minus 10 is 2, 12 minus 8 is 4, 12 minus 6 is 6. Solve it. Now we know that square root 4 means 2. So we factorize of 12. we get 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 remaining as it is. 4 is written as 2 into 2. 6 is written as 2 into 3. So we make pair 1 2 1 2 pair 1 2 pair 3 2's are in pair and 1 3 also are in pair. So we write outside. So it will give us 2 into 2 into 2 8 8 3 is 24. 24 is the area centimeter square. So cost we find by multiplying it with 9 paise. So 9 into 24 it gives us in paise and it will equal to 9 4 is 36 3 9 2 is 18 plus 3 21. So 216 paise. It convert into rupees by dividing 100 we get 2.16 rupees. So answer B is correct, 2.16 rupees. Next, 8th question. If the height and radius of cone is tripled, height is tripled and radius of cone is tripled, then the ratio of volume of the new cone to the original cone will be. So let us see in the 8th question. The volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h formula. This is the original volume. If height is tripled, it means we write 3 times height equal to new height and radius is tripled. So 3 r. Now new volume will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. Plug in the value of capital H and capital R. We get 1 by 3 pi. So r square means 3r square. H means 3h. So 1 3 cancel out. So we get pi. 3 square we get 9 r square h. So 9 pi r square h. This is the new volume, volume number 2. Now dividing equation 1 and 2. So we get the ratio. So ratio is asking V upon V2. We get 1 upon 3 pi r square h upon 9 pi r square h. Pi r square h cancel out. So 1 by 3 divide 9. We can say 1 by 3 into 9 is written as 1 by 9. And by converting divide into multiply we write 1 by 9. So it gives us 1 by 27. So new ratio of volume become 1 ratio 27 or 27 ratio 1. New volume is larger than old volume. So 27 ratio 1. A option is correct. 9th question. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle, PA equal to PB. So center to midpoint of the chord always bisect and at right angle. Right angle means 90 degrees. So which option? B option is correct. Angle OPA is 90 degree. 10th question. Which statement is incorrect about the parallelogram? Answer is diagonal are equal in length. No, diagonal are not equal in parallelogram, but other all are correct option. Opposite sides are parallel. Diagonals bisect each other. Consecutive angles are supplementary. Next, 11th question. 11th question is, if the number of square centimeters in the surface area of a sphere is equal to the number of cubic centimeters in its volume, then diameter of the sphere we have to find out. So 11th question is very interesting and important. So there is given sphere. Sphere means like football shape object. So in this sphere there is given number of square centimeter of surface area. Sphere surface area is 4 pi r square. This is the area. And volume formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. This is the volume. So number of square centimeter in the surface area of a sphere equal to the number of cubic centimeter in the volume. So there is the radius r of a sphere and area is equal to given volume. So we write 4 pi r square equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 pi cancel, 4 also cancel, r square cancels r cube, we get only r, and 1 upon 3 also left equal to 1. So cross multiplying 3 we can get r equal to 3. So 3 centimeter is the radius in this case. So diameter question is asking. So diameter is 2r. Diameter is twice of r. It will be 2 into 3, that gives us 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter, it means 11th has B option. Next 12th question. 7 raised to power 10 into 8 raised to power 10 equal to. So in this question 12th, 7 raised to power 10 into 8 raised to power 10. we take the power common, because we know the identity a raised power m into b raised power m. In the multiply, we can write ab power whole power m. Power can taken common. So this identity we here use. So 7 into 10 whole power 10. 7 8 is 56 whole power 10. This is the answer. So 56 power 10, that is given in the option B. Next question. Two consecutive angles of parallelogram are in the ratio 1:3. Then find the value of smaller angle. So there is the parallelogram given in the 13th question, and this is parallelogram. Consecutive angle means these two consecutive angles are in ratio 1:3. So 1x and 3x are two angles. So 1x plus 3x we can write down 180, because they are called co-interior angle. Co-interior angle means their sum is 180. Co-interior angle means sum is 180 degree. Means sum is 180 degree. So we write here 180 degree. It gives us 4x equal to 180. So x will be equal to 180 upon 4. That gives us 45 degrees. So smaller angle is 45 degree. So answer is 45 degree. So in the 13th, there is given 45D option correct. Next 14th, an isosceles triangle has, isosceles means two sides are equal. So two sides equal, B option is correct. 15th question, three sides equal is also considered as equilateral, but isosceles not. And third, C option, none of these sides are equal, that is scalene triangle. So D option also incorrect, because all angles are equal, then it is equilateral. 15th question, when a spherical ball of diameter 4.2 centimeter completely immersed in water, then the amount of water displaced by the solid, it means here we find the volume, because amount of water displaced is nothing but volume. So 15th question, we need the volume. So radius, diameter here is given 4.2. So radius is diameter upon 2. So 4.2 upon 2, it will give us 2.1 centimeter. This is the radius, and volume is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 upon 3 multiply, pi means 22/7, radius is 2.1, so it will write 3 times. So 7 cancels, 2.1 0.3 times, 3 cancels, 0.3 0.1 times, 4 into 22 we get 88 into 0.1, 21 square is 441, 2 number decimal we put, so it becomes 8.8 into 4.41. So multiplying 4.41 with 88, 8.8, we get final answer in volume, centimeter cube. So 44188, multiply 8, 8 4 is 32, 3, 32, 3, 35, cross 8, 2, 5, 3, adding 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry, 5 plus 2 plus 1, 8, 3 plus 5, 8, 3. So we get in decimal 3 decimal 1 2 3 3 decimal, so we get 38.808 centimeter cube. This is the answer. It is given in 38 point, and centimeter cube can also be written as milliliter. So C option is correct. Next 16th question, diagonal AC and BD of parallelogram ABCD intersect each other at O. If OA equal to 3 centimeter, OD equal to 2 centimeter, the length of AC and BD are. So in 16th question, first we do the parallelogram ABCD and diagonal AC and diagonal BD of parallelogram intersect each other at O. OA equal to 3, OA equal to 3 centimeter, OD equal to 2. The length of AC and BD are. Since diagonal bisect, so double of AO is AC. AC equal to 2 AO. So it means 2 into 3, it will give us 6 centimeter. And BD equal to 2 into DO. So it gives us 2 into 2, that means 4 centimeter. So diagonal length are 6 and 4. So it means AC is 6 and BD is 4. So AC and 6, BD is 4, A option is correct. Question 17. How many lines can be passed through two distinct points? So answer is 1. one line can pass through two distinct points. 18th question. In the given figure ABCD are the points on a circle such that angle ACB is 40 degree. This is 40 degree. DAB is 60 degree. DAB is 60 degree. Then angle DBA. DBA we have to find out. So what we do? First, in the triangle ABD, we know that AB are the chord length, and from AB two angles are arising. One is D, another is C. So D and C angle are equal. They form in the same segment because AB is the same segment they forming. So D angle is also 40 degree due to angle in same segment theorem. So this is 40, this D angle also 40. So 60 and 40 we obtain two angle in the triangle ABD. So B is nothing but 80 degree because sum of three angles is 180 degree. So first what we do, angle in the same segment, same segment name is AB. AB segment forms two angle, C angle as well as D angle, because they start from the A and B point. They form same value of angle. So 40 degree will be there. So we transfer from C angle 40 degree to D angle 40 degree. Then we find the angle sum property. Therefore we get angle B value, that is nothing but 80 degree. Now assertion and reason question 19th. Assertion. A means assertion, R means reason. According to the statistics, more female children are born each year than male children in India. Reason. In India, the death rate of male children is higher than the female child. So there is the assertion and reason. This is very interesting question, but it is not sure. According to statistics, so this branch tells about more female children are born. Equal number of male and female are born, but death of male children are more. Therefore, female children are born in every year is more. So we can say A option is correct. Both are correct according to our logic. But there is this type of logic is very rare. Very rare type question is asking. Second question, 20th. Assertion A. If the height of cone is 24 centimeter, diameter is 14 centimeter, then the slant height of the cone is 25. So slant height can be calculated by using Pythagoras theorem. So there is height given. Height of cone is 24 centimeter. Base diameter is 14. So radius is 7 centimeter. So hypotenuse is slant height. It will be equal to under root 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square is 576. And 7 square is 49. 576 plus 49, it gives us 625. Square root 625 is 25. So answer is 25 centimeter. That is given. Yes, correct. First is correct. Now second reason. If the radius R be, if the R be the radius and H be the slant height of the cone, then slant height formula is L equal to under root R square plus H square. Yes, both are correct. So A option is correct here. This is the correct explanation. Therefore A option is we select. Next, 21. Which ordinates of the following points? Write the ordinates. Ordinate is value of y. Ordinate is called value of y. So in the 3, 4, ordinate is 4. In the 4, 0, ordinate is 0. In the 0, 4, ordinate is 4. In the 3, 5, minus 3, ordinate is minus 3. So ordinate means y value and abscissa is x value. So in this way we can write the answer. 22nd. Find the point at which the equation 3x minus 2y equal to 6 meet at x-axis. On x-axis, we plug in the value of y equal to 0. X-axis means y value is 0. So 3x minus 2y equal to 6, and we plug in the value of y equal to 0. We get point on x-axis. So 3x minus 2 into 0 equal to 6. So 3x equal to 6 because 0 into 2 we get 0. X equal to 6 by 3, it will give us 2. So x equal to 2 is the correct answer. So 2, 0 is the correct answer where y value is 0 and x value is 2. So answer is 2, 0. Next, 23rd question. There is the given diagram. Question number 23rd. In the given figure A, triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Triangle ABC and triangle ADC are equilateral triangle with common base. So these are equilateral, each side of triangle being 2A. So this is 2A equilateral triangle. What it says, A and C lie on x-axis. A and C lie on x-axis. What is it? B and D lie on y-axis. O is the midpoint of AC. O is midpoint of AC and BD. So find the coordinates of point B. We have to find out coordinate of B. So this is 2A. This side is 2A. So we find first two equal sides. So we draw the diagram first, and this is 2A side, and we suppose this is XX. So Pythagoras we apply here. X square plus x square equal to 2A square. So 2A square means 4A square. X square plus x square is 2x square. So dividing both side by 2, we get x square equal to 2A square. So x equal to square root 2 times A. So this is the square root 2 times A. So we get triangle with square root 2 times A. So question is asking find the coordinate of point B. Point B coordinate is square root 2A comma 0. So this point shows square root 2A comma 0. This is the B's coordinate. Next question number 24. Find any two irrational number between 0.1 and 0.12. So in 24th question. So irrational number between 0.1 and 0.12. Irrational number never repeated and never terminate. So never repeated between 0.1 and 0.12 are 0.11, but never repeating. So randomly any number we can fill here. So and after different number, and not terminating means infinite times number. So these type of number are called irrational numbers. So there are infinite irrational numbers between them, and we can write any two number among infinite numbers. So first, so these are the two answers. Next question. Find the irrational number between 1 upon 7 and 2 upon 7 when it is given 1 upon 7, 0.142857 bar. So among similar to first, we can do it between if we multiply by 2 this, we get 285657 and 014. So between these two number we can find out. So if 1 by 7 is 0.142857 and 2 by 7 is double of it, we get 2856, but we get the carry from previous number, so it becomes 57 and 14. So among these two number, irrational numbers can be written as irrational number our non-repeating. So we can write 15285695 different numbers, but never repeating and never terminating. So second number also we can write 16 different number and never repeating type number are called irrational number. These are the answer. Next question number 25. These question have beautiful because they have choices. So choice gives us more different approach. Next 25th A part. Find the value of k so that polynomial has one factor as x plus 3. So x plus 3 is one factor. So we can say we equal to 0. So x equal to minus 3 is first solution. So what we do, we plug in the value of x equal to minus 3 in this equation. So equation is x cube plus 3x square minus kx minus 3. So this is fx. We plug in f equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 3, it become minus 3 cube plus 3 into minus 3 square minus k into minus 3 minus 3. So we get minus 27. It becomes minus 3 square plus 9 plus 9 3 are 27, and it becomes plus 3k minus 3. Minus 27 plus 27 becomes 0, and its value is 0 because it is a factor. So 3k minus 3 equal to, we get 0. It gives us 3k equal to 3, k equal to 3 by 3, it means 1. K value 1 is the correct answer. Similarly, in the next part, we plug in the value of x equal to root 2 and we check the value, is it equal to 0 or not. If it is equal to 0, then we can say it is a solution. So let us see this one also. x cube minus 3x square minus 2x plus 6 is given p of x, and x is replaced with square root 2. We get square root 2 cube minus 3 times square root 2 square minus 2 times square root 2 plus 6. So 2 square root 2 cube means 2 root 2 and 3 into square root 2 square means 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 6. So 2 root 2 and it become minus 3 to the 6, then minus 2 root 2 and plus 6. So minus 6 plus 6 cancel, minus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 cancel, we get 0. So we can have the value of polynomial at x equal to 2 is 0. Next section, C section. In question 26, hard plastic square shaped sheet are available. The side length of the sheet is per requirement. The price of the sheet is Z per square meter. Anju requires two sheets, a smaller sheet with the side length x and larger sheet with the side length y meter. He has two choices. Choice 1, buy two separate sheets of side length x meter and y meter. Choice 2, buy a single sheet with side length x plus y meter. What is the difference in price between the two choices? So in this 26th question, 3 marks question, Anju has two choice. One is square sheet that is side x centimeter, and another choice with side length y centimeter. So y 4 side. So its area is x square. Another sheet's area is y square. So their total area is x square plus y square. Second choice of Anju has choice 1 and 2. It has side x plus y. So area becomes x plus y whole square. Area become x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square. Second choice. Now it means whole square means it gives us more area, x square plus y square plus 2xy, and cost is z multiplied by x square plus y square. So here in the second we multiply z with x square plus y square plus 2xy. We multiply by to find the cost. So two options are there. So what is the difference in price between two choices? So difference means if we multiply z inside in the both and then difference find, we can say difference is above cost is z square, zx square and zy square cancel out in the difference. Only left is z times 2 into xy. This is the difference. So 2xyz is the difference. So this is the answer in rupees. Next question. Evaluate square root 5 plus 2 root 6 plus square root 8 minus 2 root 15. This is whole square identity type based problem, and we make here whole square identity. How? So 5 plus 2 root 6 first we solve. First part, 5 plus 2 root 6. This can be solved. 5 is written as 3 plus 2 is 5, and root 2 is written as root 2 square, root 3 is written as root 3 square, and whole is in square root, and 2 root 6 is written as 2 into root 3 into root 2. So this is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab term. It can be further written as a plus b whole square. So a here is root 3, b here is root 2. So in the square root we write as square root 3 plus square root 2 whole square. Square root and square sign cancel out. We get square root 3 plus square root 2. This is the first term answer. Second term is square root 8 minus 2 root 15. Second part is square root 8 minus 2 root 15. So 8 is written as 5 plus 3. So 5 is written as square root 5 square. 3 is written as square root 3 square minus 2. Square root 15 is written as square root 5 into square root 3. And there is completely square. It is nothing but square root 5 minus square root 3 whole square, and there is square root sign. So square and square root sign cancel out. We get square root 5 minus square root 3, and we add both the term because there is a addition. So finally we get square root 3 plus square root 2 plus square root 5 minus square root 3. Square root 3 cancel out. So final answer is square root 2 plus square root 5. This is the answer. Next question 28th, that is given in exponential chapters. So question is 4 upon 216 whole power minus 2 by 3, then minus 1 upon 256 upon power minus 3 by 4. How we solve? 216 is written as 6 cube. So 4 upon 6 cube, and outside there is minus 2 upon 3 power, then minus 256 is 2 power 8. Outside there is minus 3 by 4 power. So we know that a power m whole power n, it is written as a power m into n. So power will multiply. So 3 cancel out. In this case we get 6 power minus 2. In the same way, in the next term we get 8 and 4 cancel. We get 2 times cancel. 2 into minus 3 we get minus 6 2 power. And next we know that if there is 1 upon a power minus m is there, we can write it a power m positive when we send in numerator. So it becomes 4 into 6 square minus 2 raised to power 6. So 6 square 36. 36 4 ja 144 minus 2 raised to power 6 is 64. Subtracting it we get 80 as answer. Next part you can do. And in the 29th question, in the given below the figure of a circle with center O, angle BOC is 88 degree. Angle BOC is 88 degree. Center angle is 88 degree. Next, Priya claims the length of OB is equal to length of OC. Yes, OB equal to OC, correct, because both are radius. Sia and Aditi provide different justification for Priya's claim. Sia says OB and OC are radii of the same circle. Yes, this is correct, Sia. Aditi says OC is the base of angle BOC. BOC is, so OC is the base of angle BOC. This is not correct because base in the angle is not any term. So who has given the correct justification Priya's claim? Answer is Sia. Sia says OB and OC are radii of the same circle. So therefore radii of the same circle are always equal. Therefore they are equal. Next question, a choice question. A chord of the circle is equal to the radius of the circle. So it means equilateral triangle is there. Find the angle subtended by the chord at point of minor arc as well as point on the major arc. So answer will be, triangle will be formed 60 degree. So center angle is 60 degree. Outer angle is 300 degree because 360 total complete angle is there. Next 30th question, represent the following frequency table by means of histogram. There is continuous 10 to 20, 20 to 30. This is the histogram we can make. Histogram means continuous bar graph touching each other. So 10 to 20, then 20 to 30 we can make. So for graph paper we draw vertical line, that is y axis 0, 10, 20, 30. In the horizontal we mark as marks 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 is the last x-axis. On y-axis there is the maximum number is 16. So we equal mark here 2 to gap 2, 4, 6, 8. So till 16 we mark 10, 12, 14, 16. This is y-axis. Number of students on y-axis. Number of students on y-axis. So 10 to 20 is 7. So 7 is somewhere between 6 and 8. So this next is 20 to 30, 11. So 11 is somewhere between 20 and, so this is 20 and this is, next is, there is equal gap, so we do not need any king. 30 to 40 is 9. So 9 is between 8 to 10. So we mark a 9. Next is 40 to 50, that is 13. 13 is somewhere between 12 and 14. 12 and 14. This is. Next is 16, 50 to 60. 16 and 60 till 16 we mark here. Till the 16 we mark here. Next is 60 to 74. 60 to 74, so we mark here 4. This is the histogram. On number scale, on y-axis we write scale. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 students, we write down. Next question 31, simplify. In this question, square root x power minus 2 by 3, y power 4 in square root, divide square root x y power minus 1 by 2. So in 31st question, square root x power minus 2 by 3, y power 4 in square root, divide square root x y power minus 1 by 2. So square root x means x power 1 by 2, its power whole power minus 2 by 3, y power 4, its power 1 by 2, divide means in upon, y power minus 1 by 2, and in square root it means again 1 by 2 power is there. So power will multiply, x power 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3, 2 cancel. Similarly y power 4 into 1 by 2, denominator x power 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, power will multiply because bracket between power shows, it means multiply, so it become 1 by 4, and y power also become minus 1 by 4. So 2 cancel in the x power, so we get 1 by 3 power negative, y power 2 cancel, 4 2 times, so y square, and in denominator we write as it is, x power minus 1 by 4, y power minus 1 by 4. So minus power from denominator goes in numerator, it becomes plus power, so it becomes x power 1 by 4, y power 1 by 4 positive, y square is there, so 2 will be added, power will be added in the same base. Similarly minus 1 by 3 subtracted power, so x power taking 12 common LCM, so 3 minus 4, y power taking LCM 4, so 1 plus 8, so we get x power minus 1 by 12, y power 9 by 4, and we get finally y power 9 by 4, and negative power we convert into positive power by shifting into changing the numerator denominator, x power 1 by 12. So this is the answer in 31. Next question 32. In question number 32, in the figure ABCD is a parallelogram, E and F are midpoint of AB and CD respectively. Show that the line segment AF and EC intersects diagonal BD. So these all three parts are equal. This we have to prove here. So how we prove? They are trisection part. So let us see the solution. We draw the diagram, and there is the rectangle. So we draw the rectangle and diagonal. Name of rectangle is ABCD. Diagonal name is BD. One part is midpointing joint F. It gives us AF that intersect at a P. Midpoint of B is E joining CE. It will give us Q. And in this diagram we have to prove DP equal to PQ equal to QB. It means trisectional point. So how we prove? We can prove by taking the triangle DQC. In DQC, F is midpoint and FP is parallel to the CE. Therefore, it is half and bisect other side. So it is half. So we can taking triangle, in triangle we write here in triangle DCQ. DCQ. In triangle DCQ, F is midpoint of DC and FP is parallel to CQ. Therefore P is also midpoint. Therefore P is also midpoint. Therefore P is also midpoint. Therefore DP equal to PQ. Similarly in triangle, this time we are considering BPA triangle. We can say in BPA triangle, E is midpoint of side AB. Of side AB, and EQ is parallel to AP. Therefore Q is the midpoint of BP due to midpoint theorem. Therefore we can say BQ equal to QP. From these two equations 1 and 2, we can say DP equal to PQ and PQ equal to BQ. So DP, PQ and BQ, all three are equal. All three are equal. So it means this BD is trisected by 3 equal trisect means 3 equal parts is there. Therefore it is trisect. So this is the answer. Now next is show the line segment joining the midpoint of opposite sides of quadrilateral bisect each other. You can do yourself. Simplify. Next question. 73 cube plus 27 cube upon 73 square minus 73 into 27 plus 27 square. So in this question we write 73 square numerator plus 27 square in numerator upon 73 square minus 73 into 27 plus 27 square. So in the numerator there is cube, 73 cube, 27 cube. Identity of cube is a cube plus b cube. We write down its identity is a plus b, second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. In denominator we write as it is 73 square minus 73 into 27 plus 27 square. In the numerator part we write 73 plus 27, 73 square plus minus 73 into 27 plus 27 square. So this bracket cancel out this. So 73 plus 27 is, we get finally 100 is the answer of this question. Next is question B. What is the degree of polynomial under root 3? In the second part under root 3 is given. So degree in this we can write x power 0 with it, because x power 0 is 1. So square root 3 is written as square root 3 into 1. So its degree is 0. Value of power of x, that gives us degree. So degree is 0. Next 34th question. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cone made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter 40 cm, height 1 meter. The outer side of each cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 15 per meter square. What will be the cost of painting all these cones? So there is how many cones? 50 cones. What is the radius? Half of diameter. Diameter is 40, so radius is 20. What is the height of each cone? 1 meter. So we take radius 20 centimeter. Height is 1 meter. So 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter means this is the height, this is the, so area is pi RL, because we are using here sideway painting, and 50 hollow cones area will be, we multiply with 50 into pi RL. pi means 22 by 7, radius is 20, and L is under root h square plus r square. So we calculate L by plugging the value of r square is 20 square, h square is 100 square. So solve it. 50 into 22 over 7 into 20 into 20 square is 400 plus 100 square is 10,000. So 10,400, 1400 it means, into 20 into, and 22 5 ja 110, and followed by 0 upon 7 we write here. And cost of these 50 will be multiplying 15 per meter square with this area, above area 1100 upon 7 into 20 into under root 1400. So further gives us 15 into 1100 upon 7 into 20 into 1400, under root is written as 10 under root 14 under root, and there is given value. Here is question saying taking pi 3.14, so 1100 divide 1100 is written as 11 by 7, and we take 22 by 7. 22 by 7 means 3.14. Question is saying take under root 14 is under root 14. So question has some mistake. Base diameter under root 14 is, we know the value of 3.742, and multiplying all the numbers we get. So 15 into 100, remove the decimal of 314, it becomes 314, 2 decimal, and similarly 10 multiply, remove the decimal, it gives us 374.2. So finally we get multiply gives us rupees 17,62,482 is the answer. Next question is hemispherical dome. Hemispherical dome, base made from sheet fiber. It is diameter of hemisphere dome is 80 centimeter. Diameter is 80 centimeter, so radius is 40 centimeter. And second thing is 13 by 170 of sheets actually used was wasted in making the dome. Then find the cost of dome at the rate of 35 upon 100. So dome is 2 pi r squares is the area of dome. Radius is 40 centimeter. Open base is there. Now 30 by 170 is the wasting. So that area and that sheet also we add in the area. So area formula is 2 pi r square. Radius is 40 centimeter, and we can calculate area 2 into 22 by 7 into, and 13 by 170 is wasted, so that we add in the radius. It will give us a area. Then cost we get multiplying in rupees 35 by 100. We get 2 into 22 by 7 into 13 by 170 into plus 40. It gives us total area, total cost. So calculate it. Next question 35. Two equilateral triangle are on a straight line are as shown below. This one is ABC triangle. Second one is DEF triangle. Two equilateral triangle on a straight line are shown. So it means each angle is 60 60. 75 plus 60 we get 135. 135, it means 180 minus 135 we get angle 3. So 180 minus 135 we get 45 degree. Angle 3 is 45 degree. Angle 3 is equal to angle C, because angle 3 is 45 degree and angle 5 is 60 degree because equilateral triangle. So it becomes 4 angle is 180 minus 125. 60 plus 65, 125. It gives us 55 degree. Angle 4 is 55. 55. Angle 3 is 40. Angle 3 was 45. Angle 4 was 55. So total is become 100 degree. So it become angle M is 80 degree. So opposite angle M is also 80 degree. So angle X will be 50 degree, because equilateral we consider isosceles triangle we consider it. Next question on case based subjective question. Cleanliness drive to the way of raise awareness on importance of the cleanliness in one's neighborhood. Residents of the certain locality joined cleanliness drive together to clean their area. Participation of the women was 10 more than the men, taking X as the number of women and Y as number of men. So there is the cleanliness problem based question. So here is question asking which mathematical concept used here. Second is write the suitable linear equation of two variable 4 above. So here cleanliness means neatness. So cleanliness is our month where our goddess survive. So our surrounding should be, neighborhood should be clean. So it is gives us about concept of mathematics that belongs with algebra in our surrounding. This concept is obtained from this sentence. Now second part is there is given men equal to participation of women 10 more than the men. So participation of women is here given X, women is here given X, and men here is given Y. So women participation 10 more than the men. So X is equal to Y plus 10. X is more than 10. So it means women in our cleanliness gives us more contribution. This is the second questions. Now third part, find the number of women if the number of men is 30. So main number is given 30. So women can be calculated by X equal to 30 plus 10. Men means Y. So 30 plus 10 is 40. Answer is 40. So in this way we get all answer. Now in second question there is was choice. Second part, if the number of women is double of the number of men, then what is the number of women? So number of women is double of number of men. So double, it means X equal to 2Y. Double means second part we can write also in this way. This is the odd type question. In the next 37th question, maths teacher of class 9th gave students colored paper in the shape of the quadrilateral and asked the student to make parallelogram from it by using paper folding as shown in the figure. So this is the maths activity. Angle RSP is 30 degree. RSP, where is RSP? This is the 30 degree. Then find RQP. So RQP. So in this type of quadrilateral we form always parallelogram. So RQB is also 30 degree. Now RSP is 50 degree. Then SPQ is 180 minus 50. It will give us 130 degree. If SP equal to 3 centimeter, measure of RQ will be, SP is 3 centimeter, then RQ measure will be 3 centimeter because it is parallelogram. Now third statement, state property about the diagonal of a parallelogram. Diagonal of a parallelogram are different, not equal. So property of diagonal, we can say that parallelogram sides, if SP is 3, then diagonal BD is double, so 6 centimeter BD. So diagonal here we obtained is double of the side. So state property about the diagonal of parallelogram. Diagonal of parallelogram, double of the diagonal of parallelogram are not equal. Next 38th question. Sakshi prepared a rangoli in the triangular shape in the Diwali. She makes a small triangle under a big triangle as shown in figure. Sides of big triangle are 25, 26 and 28 centimeter. So these are three sides. Triangle PQR is formed by joining the points of triangle ABC. Using the above data help her in the solving the below doubt. So these 28's half is RQ 14 and RP is 26 half 13. PQ is 25 half 12.5. Which theorem will use to calculate side of triangle PQR? We use midpoint theorem. Now second part, what is the semi-perimeter of triangle ABC? ABC semi-perimeter means 28 plus 26 plus 25. It gives us 78. 78 upon 2, 39. 39 is the semi-perimeter of triangle ABC. What is the length of RQ, PQ and QR? RP is half of 26, PQ is half of 25, RQ is half of 28, RP is half of 26. Next third part, if the colored rope is to be placed along the side of the small triangle PQR, what is the length of rope? Colored rope is placed along the side of small PQR. What is the length of rope? It means sum of three sides of a small triangle. So we get 13 is RP, 14 is RQ, 13 plus 14 27, 27 and PQ is 12.5. So 13 plus 14 27 plus 12.5 39.5. Answer is 39.5. Unit is centimeter. In this way case based study also is completed. I hope you have understood this type of solution. Okay, revise it when you feel the discomfort in the solution. Okay.